Hello, Dumelang Tobela, Khotsong, ladies and gentlemen, Liamoreji. Today, on our beautiful event, my name is Lerato Agamasaurane, and today is such a momentous day because Puti Siboni, my little brother, is launching his amazing book. He is a well-published author, award-winning author in South Africa, and I'm super proud of him. So mine is just to welcome you all and to say you are welcome. Let us celebrate with Puti as he is launching his book, and he just gave me a brief of it to say, as we are having a worrying phenomenon of fathers who are not present in their children's lives, and it's affecting them throughout their lives. So this is the book for our communities. This is the book for children. This is the book for fathers to say, please, you are able to do it. Can you just be part of your child's life so that he or she can have a beautiful life in growing up and not having all the traumas created by not you being present in their lives. So this is the book, and I hope all of us, we're gonna indulge and enjoy reading it, and obviously have the emotions, because if you have been through the journey of not having a father present in your life, or having a child, raising a child who's not whose father is not present, you are going to be emotional reading the book, but I believe that it is worth it. So I'm welcoming each and every one of you and our beautiful guests, our prestigious guests, distinguished guests that are with us today. The first one would be Mr. Oupa Manamela from Skeem Saam. If he is present here, maybe just wave your hand so that everybody can see you. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Skeem Saam. We are so proud of you. And Mr. Max Papo from Skeem Saam as well. Tate Maroti. Yeah, the face paints are amongst us here today. And we've got Impendule Yezwe FM online radio represented here. Thank you so much for coming through and making sure that we are actually online on Impendulo Yezwe FM. Renagapeli Mrs. Azusa Kelimba, the senior journalist. If you are here, Azu, please just wave your hand so that everybody can see you, and you are most welcome. We're Renali Mr. Lishilu, the language practitioner from the University of Johannesburg. Mrs. Stephanie Mashamaite as well, from the University of Johannesburg. We appreciate your support and your presence. Renali Mr. Joseph Klongwani, the former Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates middle fielder, a legend whose discipline on the field inspires all of us. Yeah, welcome, Sam. And yeah, Renali, our gospel artist, Mrs. Mary Opela. I want to believe that she's just gonna mesmerize us with her beautiful music. We've got apologies as well. We would have loved to have had our distinguished guest as well, but then due to their prior commitments, they couldn't be here with us. Mr. Tefuma Shamaite, Mr. Punch Masamola, and Sipho Kekana, the senior SABC producer. They couldn't be here with us today as per the invitation, but then yeah, hopefully they are with us spiritually. And I would like to say we appreciate your presence so much. Thank you so much for coming, and we are all here to support Puti, to say he can do it and become an international author, especially when you are focusing on indigenous language. This book is written in Sepedi, one of my favorite languages, because ke rashitse ka leleme la Sepedi for almost 15 years, from community radio to national radio station, Thobela FM. So I know gore leleme la rena le botlhokwa kudu, and re tshwanetse re le tswetse pele, re kgantšhe ka go le bolela, re le rate, re be re rute ba bangwe jwale ka ge le bona re ithuta maleme a bona. Thank you so very much. Welcome.
Thank you. and then ke dumelana le ausi Lerato ga re santo re pshine ka le mantšu a rena ka bošwa ba rena gore re tswa kae re bomang nna ke mokoni wa ntšhidikgolo ke le godila mmatseleng yeah, another thing that is actually making me excited this afternoon is the gender dynamic around the room. I'm seeing that we have the elders that are here, we have the young that are here, we have ladies, we have gentlemen that are here. So it's going to be a dynamic afternoon in terms of where you tutor from each other. A very powerful book. If I born a very, very powerful book. And it starts also with the cover. I mean, cover, it tells you a lot. And title ya gona ere hobaneng etle etate. So I'll sit down le mongwadi wa yona, an award-winning author. The reason why we are here, Phuthi Seboni, and then he'll unpack it. Hobaneng etate. But without further ado, we have a lot of people that are dynamic in the industry that are here with us, you know, from various fraternities, the academic space, in the field, you know, where sports is concerned, but also in the literature space and yeah, the artistic space in general. So a huge portfolio. So please just be relaxed. And we're all going to learn from each other this afternoon. So Ketlo welcome Ntate Max Papo as ausi Lerato introduced you, know him, you know, and yeah, you hear him, you see him in various of our platforms. He's our friend, he's our father, he's in our homes, you know, every single day on our platforms. So you know, being on TV as well, you hear a lot of people saying we take ownership of you. You know, you're no longer just a Katlego, but you are a Katlego of the people. So even this afternoon, we're going to learn from Ntate Max Papo. He's been in the industry for a while, and I believe that his presence here really just solidifies the work that Phuthi has been doing as well, and also us just being proud of who we are. So without any waste of time, hopefully welcoming Ntate Max Papo to come at Lorifa Amabedi Amarao.
Ke nampura moswaga mokopane ke nna senatla sa ga bomadimetša ka re senatla sa ke leno le ge le le nnoši kgomo le a ija lefetše ke a reila ga mokopane ke reila ke re tabe 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 ke a tša nonyane ga e tabetša mo legoreng ke tšhaba baditi ke tšhaba yena Phuthi Seboni ke tšhaba lena ba Mašamaita Bokoni di Phuthi ke tšhaba the space e re ke leboge moswara marapo moswara mosepediši lenaneo ene ebile nka re safely mošomišane ka nna in my industry e re ke go leboge Phuthi ke sa tloa botša a little bit ka wena gomme ke tsene ke tlhaloše gore puku e khwi e ntshwere bjang nna personally ka ke ile ka tšea sebaka ka e bala. Well, where I come from, I think I'm safe. Hey, space and it becomes such an irony that we are here launching a book in Sepedi. But reality requires of us to then communicate to the broader masses and the whole spectrum of the space. Phuthi. I want to congratulate you, my brother. But the role I have played in your life, your younger life, once you were young, called you a young man, not so young anymore. I was your brother in the arts. And I believe that was your mentor. I'd like to still believe that somehow spiritually, ke sa le mentor ya gago. And to have seen you converting, and as a matter of fact, uchia sfane sa gago, and living up to it. Na for nna ge ke ne ke lebella lesogana le le re tliša mo le tlhakanšha mo be ke bona se bone ka nnete. Monna wa kgona go bona dilo a bonela pele dilo ka lehlo la ntšhotšo. Mo e le gore ke rile ge ke most of the times re dutše re bolela ka ditaba tša industry, young as he was and still green behind his ears, he could engage so deeply in the challenges, some of the politics and the dynamics. He was so conversant. And of course, he was also stroking my ego, saying, "You were fantastic. You are brilliant." And when you see somebody that want to value in you, you almost lighten up to see the other things in them. What is it that they see in you? It takes one to see one. And only not to know later, Uto was so prolific because Hergamu Shalam Rao Puti Askala Tomilongwala. And we were just having a discussion earlier on. No, actually, I've made it my mission, or every year I publish one book. He's on to his 4th book, ladies and gentlemen. The mentor role is now quickly becoming almost the mentored, because I'm sitting with one story, that one that is called autobiography, for as many years as, actually 40, I've been in the industry. You were saying a while, I want to put a number to it, sir. It's just a little over 40 years. And therefore, I can safely call myself a legend. For many years, I said, no, don't call me a legend. Not quite yet, because I believe I see and hear people, but relate to anything, but I'm a legend. No, you haven't been, you can't even begin to call yourself a legend. So safe, because that title. I'm not here. I cannot believe that today you are on to your 4th book. And that begins to tell me, and ki encourage lebatu. We are in literary space, we are in media space, we are in artistic space. That space that requires of us to artistically or academically express ourselves in the name of telling a story, because everybody has a story. He's on to his 4th story in the form of a book. So he's got stories. Because kis boni, ubona li children na baba ordinary, risa di boni. Ki put up. I would like to think that you put up going. Are you going Luena? Yeah, because maybe by chance, by default, uputela bakoni. It's about baba mashama ite ki di put liton, babina put kina muwaraka barike mos. Anyway, I'd like to take this time to congratulate to say, please continue to write these stories. Marana particularly, how it touches me. The story sa obaning dati. Dati. Ndafela, hekele kuduche soccer he morana. And now it's about Payona. I had the privilege of reading the book online. And I made sure Kaivala. Of course, I'm not here to now start unpacking the book, but story is very personal. I myself have not been raised by a father who was present. In that, in fact, the one was because I call her my mother. The role that basadi bare na banna re ba tlogelang re wa makarapa re ka kwa ga uterilo nya ka ga ute re felletsa, and you get a lot of that in this book ya go bana ntate hle ba felletsa ba eba a isa ba makarapa fela At least there's something positive about go ba le karapo ya o bereka bua gae o tlisha tšhelete o tlo thibe mo go thibegago ebile bontši ba makarapa ba kgona go boa gae ba tle ba tlo aga matlo a magolo banna ba sogana ba Limpopo ge re ba lebeletše ba aga dimension. We find ourselves very envious rena re dua ka makgweng ka mo. Because for us to even conceive that idea of koparara ya ntlo, we are thinking loan, banks and that. Apparently now you guys don't do that. You must tell us how you do it. So makarapa in the form ya buka air bona tate atloga a ya makgweng ele le karapa go fitlhella iba le kgolwa. But what I'm reading the book is that he can perhaps are no ke dirile ke mosadi. He was a neg ka tabe ya gage ya gore ba geshu a ka tshwana go ba tlhokomela ba geshu ba felletša ngwanaka bana ba ka dijo. I mean the lady was saying gore no, if it mo ileng gore jale e thoma ele too much gore ba geno batla mo ene wena o tlhokometse malapa mabedi bana ba ga go bona. The man decides gore no yena wa tsamaya, he's had enough. But then right putshisha is the question, is the reason good enough for yena gore a tlogele bana molaetša shu bana ba rena re le botate ke badingwana ba rena re ba tlogela at our own cost, because a gona any guarantee ya kwa re yang gona gore re tlo ba re le right ra wa ga botse the character the father yena tate re mmotsisang gore hle tate go baneng. It goes on to not even marry, fat and set, a Xhosa character, Xhosa lady o is all established and everything le bana ba gage already wa ba godisha. And you come to think about it, how many of those stories are out there. Banna ba tsamaya ba fedile ba lwala. And I like the fact that you captured all those wonderful disastrous results tsa go tsamaya o tshabela ngwana bana in this case. But the way nature would have it and future and destiny is that ga boa and o bushwa ke mabaka jwale o tlo hwetša bana ba gage. And I'm going to really applaud the way in which you balance this whole thing ya di roles ya tate le mma. The mother is always, however, badly treated. In this case, really badly treated. In that for some time, the man is all very happy that he's there wherever for as long as his health is still intact. Isn't it that always? Di fedile le dieta marokana kwi whatever ngwana ga wa lawyer who then gets informed gore are you not ngwana wa ngwana wa ntate rena le ntate mo mokwi man you are sharing his surname. He's a lawyer, he's doing very well. Of course they've had a fair good share of really expressing their beef le papa bona, and then banyaka go do like that thing ya anger. The message out of that is the power of forgiveness. The role that the mother then plays is such that it doesn't matter. You're not any special or any more hurt and badly treated than me because I was so terribly left to okay. So I don't want to get into that because we are going to get to the point where the whole book is unpacked, but I'm relating to that story. Our fathers come back to find us happening and doing it, and they want to claim us. Let that be a message to us fathers, and perhaps the younger men who are still going to be like married and fathers. Responsibility is the message out there. You're responsible. You're actually God-given. That role is God-given. And to the child that you've given birth to, it's a birthright to be fathered by somebody. I'm Jamal Fasin. Congratulations, my brother. And keep writing, because yours is a prolific pen. It is a mighty pen. When other writers are actually hitting a writer's block every now and then. When actually, I just turned 60 the other year, which is last year. And my mission is that every decade I hit, and I still believe in 100, every decade I hit, life begins. So mine started at 60, and you, sir, are going to be my mentor, because I'm now putting all my poetry that I've been writing all these years. I write about love, loving, life, living, and death. And when mentor in getting all that, it's all over the place. I just need to collate it and then have it published. When I speaks to say how it's done cleverly and cost effectively. To that effect, sir, I want to congratulate you and say continue to write, and then congratulate who are we without the support and the love of our people, our families. You make me envious. I cannot familiar with one a lot of times you are on your own, sir. Black man, you are on your own. But you, black man, you're not alone. I'm on your side from now on. Thank you so much. Ke gona ge ke itheta ke fetša ka go hlawa mokgoši ke le senatla sa ga papo ke re iu age goa.
Ntate Papo, before Atamaya, he must tell us what is the secret to longevity. You know, within the industry.
Yes.
But also, I mean, this guy is over 60 in terms of age, 40 years in the industry.
Yes.
So there must be something that he's doing.
Yes.
Maybe a little bit of wisdom before it so that Lorena will carry it as we go along.
A little bit of that wisdom put aside, I used to have fun put it, and I keep myself surrounded by young minds, fresh minds, dynamic minds. There was a time I was technophobic, and today I'm with it. I'm very relevant because I have gone on to say, listen, you've been drinking lots of water, doing lots of exercise, eating well, and on a lighter note, doing lots of exercise as well. It's very good for all of us. It's very good. No, you gotta mix it and balance it. And so all that combination is beautiful. It's good for your skin. It's good for your blood circulation and everything that keeps you young. So, exercise, eat well, because you are what you eat. Yeah, cut a lot of sugar, cut a lot of salt, and do a lot of, even if it's just walking. I do what I call these days ancestral walks to spiritual freedom. Therefore, I have to wake up very early. So what do I do when I'm not shooting schemes up or doing other things behind the scenes? I might as well just walk. That thing is what? It's a daily investment into the health and the strength and, of course, the wealth of my being. Your health is your strength, and it is your wealth.
Everybody. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Thank you for having me.
You're most welcome. So Ntate Max Papo is here. He's a legend. He doesn't want to be called a legend. You know, he's been shy to be pronounced as a legend, but we are giving him his flowers. You know, one thing that we've also observed, life is too short. So really, we need to recognize and appreciate and give those that have been the flowers that they deserve, which is why Raleboga Ntate Max Papo, and continue just being, our anchor in this space and just being proud of who you are. We are watching you, we are learning from you. And another thing Lord Ntate Papo said was that Asanka Akitumela not to learn. As he ages, he still wants to learn. So Rekai Tuta from each and every one of us and even Lagaretzama here today. So he gave us, a bit of the book. I mean, Seke Storisa, it's a very, very interesting book, right? And, most definitely, Otla Atla Puti and break it down for us, but we can relate. It's a story, Osleratoliana told, it's a story that touches each and every one of us, even if Ogocho Onale Papa Kagai, but you know someone. Their cousins, there's a neighbor, and Rebanawa Mubu. So there's something that you can take away from this book. And Pututlatla Atloro, even this powerful title, and how then it really gives us a sense of life happenings and what we can learn as we go along. So Ralebogantate Papo, Rekobicha Joseph Malongwane to come as well, and then give us Amabedi Amararo. I get to be learning maybe with Lakangoma or let's give you that platform, sir. But thank you very much for gracing us with your presence. And Liana, he's going to just give us a speech as we wish Puti well. You can take a seat, sir. Hey.
Ke pressure. Ke pressure. Ka lebitso ke Joseph Molangwane. Ke tswa ke le Kgotlhwane Moletši. Re ke breaknyana down Puti re ke ska o tšela wa bona sport ke bolele ka nnanyana 2 minutes gore ba kgone go ntseba. Started playing professional football 2009. Played for Platinum Stars. Played for Orlando Pirates. Played for Amazulu. Played for Chippa United. Played for Kaizer Chiefs. And played for Chakuma Tabazevandela. Tumarumo Gallants. So I think Iralkile professional football 15 plus years. Nka se kgone ke pitcha legend pa re le 40 ya odimo. So ke rile ke tswa Kgotlhwane ka tsenela ga Mampiane ke Alexandra ka golela gona, then football took care of me throughout. So ke tsentšitše ke polo sekolo. Ke bile se ke leng sona through football, and bomma ke gopole ba nrekela uniform ya sekolo. Football did everything for me, and le mamuhla I'm still grateful. Ke a leboga ke kgona ho dula mo ke gane jwale because of football. And ke ralukile ke kwele ba banyane ba batlang ke tla kaeda mo ke kaedang ka ba tate e seng tate wa go ya kwa le kwa tate. I'll make sure gore the next generation ya football gets better. We all make mistakes, we learn from them, we accept them, and we move forward. So Puti ke a leboga. A ke na mantši nna ke kry-a lokela polo tša go bolela setšaka le sekolong le sekolong ke thušitše ke yona polo matric ke fihlile ke pasitše ke yona polo. So Puti warra a se ba bantši kgopela o tšwele pele whatever that drives you, whatever that keeps you going, keep going, my bro. Ke bona mo pukeng ba ngwetse go baningi hle tate. A lot of us don't have foundation. We don't know where we come from. Through tate. But ke kgopela bo tate, bomma, bo sesi ba leng ka mo. Let's go back and get the foundation so that the next generation ya bo tate can be better. So, you know, things change, things get better, things get worse, and we quick to look at relevant generally. We quick to look at dilo tse re ka ke fitlang ka tsona. Ke sure le mo pukeng tate o bile le something a ka ke fitlang ka yona. Acceptance sometimes gives you something. If you accept or I've made a fault. Acceptance, I've played it for 15 years and then I've accepted. Let me go get another journey. Or let me, throughout this football thing, let me give these little ones something to carry so that they can make 20, 30 years in football. So I think acceptance, and how do you pause and accept? Then you'll move forward and become a better person. So, Puti, ke a leboga go mpha delight tše ke ne ke di bona tše fo fela ke tima mara ke dutse gane jwale ke ka rata ke a bolela. Ke a leboga Puti, and congratulations once more. Congratulations tše tla di nka antši a se ba bantši ba kgona go edia ntho ba nyaka ba kgona the drive that you have or keep going a ke nyaka gore the sky is the limit jwale e tla ntshwara le team e la engwe mara ke no re sky is the limit or mara na originally ke le pagapaka mara ke re la le le course le pagapaka mara originally ke le pagapaka warra congratulations, keep going warra, and nayo amantšha ke na lona ke a leboga mtisitše ko spacing sa batho ba bona TV ke tla kgona go ba tshwara ka matsogo mamutla ka ba fa hake ka fihla ka bontšha bomma la bona ka bontšha bomma tate now nka se kgone ago o gole mara ke tate ke no leboga fela Mfile Foundation, and the little that he gave me I appreciate it. I'll be a better man. Ke a leboga.
Also, the question for you, another question for Wena before Tsamaya as well. You've played, man. You were on the pitches. I mean, yeah, you've done it all in this space. What is the secret to actually more or less staying humble within this space? And what would be a message to someone who is watching you and they also want to go through the same journey in terms of them finding themselves where you are right now?
So, the secret is simple. You know, Polo, for me, the secret is very simple. Awe rata, wait, the only thing that gets you better and good going is doing more of it. More of it. Tlakobot, a lot of players, there's a lot of only phone, they got caught up. Got the social media and a lot of stuff. So now success yak, there was nothing important or palabolo. So I would make more time for football. I would train more. I would do a lot of things for football. So you wabona polo ela nele matlo ya bona, it gets attached to you. The more you closer to it, the more you do anything with it, aitla ko moyeng will be allowed itla dula because you're always with it. So anything and everything that you do, if enako erat, it will be back.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much, Joseph Molongwane, everybody. And yeah, we are really in the presence of greatness. And this afternoon we're going to learn as well as we go along. And Umuka bolela about discipline, about being humble. Gantši go fitlha o bona mabone o bona popularity ya ka o fatlha o ka itebala, you know, to a point whereby there's no return. But we're so grateful to see Joseph still being true to themselves and still being humble, you know, because at some point mabone ka go dira robe arrogant, and then you tend to lose yourself. But wa khatlisha to see people by Lord, they've done it. I mean, his portfolio is amazing in this space, and there's a lot that we can still learn from him. By Lord, they're still upcoming. We're gonna learn as much as we can, so that we can also be counted amongst the greatest. You're the greatest, man, in your own space. But yeah, really appreciate you giving us your time this afternoon. So this moment is a very important one, because it's the reason why Relemo today, Man of the Moment, Phuthi Siboni, will take us through the book Robaning Etlentate. He is an award-winning author and someone that is amazing. I mean, his portfolio of work as well, and you had Demek saying that he's dedicated or he's committed to writing a book every year. Who does that? You know, so this is a person that will tell us why and how he plans to do this, but also he'll take us into his mighty pan. You know, he'll take us into his thoughts. He'll take us into his artistry, but also just give us a sense of who he is as an author. And yeah, the last time when I had him on my show, Go Power FM, I literally just told him that it's literally from Limpopo to the world, looking at how he's positioned himself. And there's no going back, you know, from here. Even when you win this awards, there's now greater responsibility to ensure that you do better than before, you know. And he's on his fourth book, the fourth of many to come. He'll take us through Raholo Masoba as well as the one that he won an award via, but more than anything else, Robaning Etlentate. And yeah, he'll take us into Senobarwana and just give us a sense of what was happening, or Zebediela, and give us a sense of what was happening there ko Zebediela. So utlar introduce her to Tokoloa Bakoni, Arabocha Kayena Tokoloa Bakoni, and Tade Max gave us a sense of Ausnom Tandazo in terms of what is happening here in the big cities, but also at the same time, the most important would be Bana by Loroba affecter, you know, with the decisions that we make as parents. And then they tend to, you know, impact them greatly, even in their day-to-day. So without any waste of time, Eriki Bije Phuthi, Joris Siboni, to just give us a sense of this book this afternoon. But also, yeah, as we go along. Good afternoon, sir. Yes, man. Welcome. Yeah. So yeah, thank you very much for part of your journey.
Yeah.
You are an author, but more than anything else, I mean, but more, and your commitment to the craft. And more than anything else, You know, you heard Osndarato talking about how you don't find a lot of authors dedicating their time to writing ka leleme la gabo rena. So this afternoon we're going to get a sense of your journey, Uthomile Umang, Uthomile Kai, and then how we find you penning this book, Obaning Kletate. Maybe let's Aratome Wanamo. Or Tarbochaka Wena Puti Joris Siboni, and or how do we find you here? Or Tajwangor or Hikere Ulemomati.
Okay, Gatleo. Kilimeli Seba Tukamugava no one at Tina Leconomo book launching. Yeah, Kaburi Banangarna Goleche ko high, deep rural area. Tongolongo Gidile Rai. Kitile Houting 2040, Kefeja grade 12. And then school is getting school is high is normal. So I say getting the boarding of the mama. And then after that, Neki to tell our radio. Neki to the radio broadcasting. Neki inspire a rato masoran. And today show will be like spiritual. It will like produce it. Yes. Sharp, okay. Push up broadcasting after that. I get I get information in sharp. After metric broadcasting, get more dear research or but I wanted to see myself go to it. Then I go get the radio and check it like the research chaka go radio can go get my CBC mo but in the kinyo ko to sharp from there the research obona how bala newspaper ko mafelo nga go bala di agency ke kra agent ka mola ya di background so ke tsena agent ila bar clip management nel based go 4 ways ilanda mthako market ebo sharp ka ba romela WhatsApp bampija ba retla etla o dira photoshoot ke ile kwa ke fitla kwa kra ngwana mare ke Thembi na jala go the throne ba re ke rock so tla dile bo Bramex go the throne sharp re fitla mola ba place go sesane go ba background mara go ba background ya TFI student kana go ke tlo kopana le bo Upa le bo Bramex and then ka kopana le thotso le bo Mzu ba sa mo hopola bo Bramex le bo Percy L Mabuane. I think motho le Percy no ba paletse go ba wona Percy ke motho thoma o bona talent mo gonna ke gopola mpona ba re mo ishengo setting up uniform then Percy a re go nna re wana o phakwago o ba di o ra golwa ka wena sine be re shoota ka mola nele ya le shola fetsa grade 12 na le menere mana ka menere magongwa and then Percy jigijika out of nowhere o create a line ara mona no tja time flower menere magongwa ke a leboga then magongwa sanjari o ke le wa monna phakwago ra tsena cinema action remember ke tsebe selo ka film kana kwe and then floor manager o re konna ore Thabiso Oliphant ho fitla kwa action akere ba going in 5 4 3 2 1 then what's in ba going in na ka tsena setting
before the
so,
5 4 3 2 1
yes o thabo le shole antse ka damane hey sharp then Oliphant ba a dira gike le Percy a tara relax ra tsena scening action ka tsena beno ke dira right angere ga ke fitla mole o menere magongwe time le nashi then magongwe ba ske le boga then Percy cut mana menere ke rile ke le bo phakwa ya ke le bo phakwa yes ra wara Thomas Inila gape ra shoota ya ba gona ya fellela ya bore beno ke boela gae o tsoro le background ba no bijana ko ngolengwe ba ka subitse o loisa kere ko pela re shoota sino max na le gona ene ko se sane o shoota ona le di screen ka mo lori di casted fitla mola le ba gona mola o ile village so ke motho mongwe wa bobedi o re gone o recognize talent o re kana le yona sharp from there ke thoma o tlatla le ona ke le ke na le hope ke re gore tsa leleng role ya ka hola le bona ba mpha hope ya gore role ya ka hola mo scheme sa le nna ke bona ke tshwana le bona be nno gore tsa leleng role e tlo hola ene ke ba tshwenya bo Brapesi le bo Mzu ke sa hopola Bramzu la bula agent ngwa re ke Afro Ref and then le na mpiditse ko ka madi mabe ya gore Mzu ba le mathata nthola go ntsha mashapo ne ke na le hope mo re be no mo re tlo yeng jikije ke mothakola nna ke spana le ena hae ga ba sena relationship e sharp wa tswa ka mola and then max go le tsa di politics re skera tsena ke tswa mo ke ya ko ngwe ba re ke buisi ba lona ke pusha background mara ke fitla ka ku ke thomo pusha the future o bona re no create the dialogue out of nowhere I think ngwe ya nthusha go producing go create because of elder dialogue re go renking a ke re swantse reno then re na le bo skalene ba re ba fitwa re dire scene re ka dira jwang ra rehearsa before sanjo created line tsa how sanje di nyallane le storyline yes ka kwetsa re lona ke right ka mowe, and then after that o fitla di COVID, after COVID mola ke ra ape plan ya salon go se sane go bana ke sana tsela o ya kwale. By the time paysi ke mo lebele ja sa bereka go se sane mzu a sa bereka go se sane batho ka ofela ba re ke tsa hore ba ka ntshwarara go role ya tla gola a ba sa le gone at all. Sanje ke thomele trilla from the scratch. Then was like I re ke boile gae, then ke dire company ya film, then ka register film production ka ibitsa under my initials name PJS, of which is Phuti Jwari Sebone. Then ke fitla gae ke thoma documentary story tsa go. There is a lot of content there. Even now ke dira research ding tshi go gae, di story tsa ka tse ke ding walang ka mka di go gae, then ke di tlisha ga ke fitla go la ka dira story se sengwe ka se bitsa gore ke #ArigaIlin. So gona go YouTube #ArigaIlin nna ke dira gore batho ba gone ithuta dikarolo tse dingwe tsa go mahaeng tse ba sa di tsebeng, because of batho ba gona o lema ka ditonki gona donki cut ba fetsa o lema ba ja mabela ba shidisha ba ja dinago ba dia dinawa ba dia dibongise ba dia merogo ba dira digopana ba gona go phela. And batho ba mahaeng ba phelo tsona le rena o no khole re go fridge tsa bona ke bo malana ke menatana most of the time ba survive ka dilo tsela o re batho ba phela re ke tsentwe ke dire ke #ArigaIlin. Then ga ke pusha ntwe le be ke re ke pusha show engwe ya e tla motivate batho e be se ke bitsa gore ke #prosperity is a choice. Ke na go le re ke thoma ba close to Cecil Rato, and then Cecil Rato a tla mo ga o fere ba le conversation na lena re bolela ke na go gonna go wisdom ya ka pila, then le na tse ampe ya mo gaufi from there dira episode tse pedi ke gopola re dirile ko Pretoria le ntate o marking ka dimeng o loreng o successful wa mone because of the content re ne go bontsha batho gore it's possible or we tswa magaeng o ba tswa ka mara lapa la botlhaki you can make it. Yes, then re shoot a show ila ba bitsa gore ke Prosperity is a choice, re upload 2 episode ya ba ngoreng ne re sanya ka ditsela di equipment le mebere go mola re tshwara ba bana. Then agere ke thomile ngwala ke thomile producer di mananeo, and then by the time ke pusha show ila ke thoma ngwala di sponsor gore ba gone mfa equipment ya film ya Piatura mara ke kere chance eo. Then there was a guy o mo ke musician o popular ba mrata that guy ba gona mo fa whatever I tlhokang ntongwe le ngwe no kera easily, but was like what's about opportunity ke nyaka monyetla go nyakang go katla mo go nna motho tla ntshwara go gole yo. Then ke eng ntho e dire motho a beso o tsebotse gore na mahlale ka ke mo ke ngwadile buka ya mathomo ka re ke le sogana la mahlale ke ngwala ka character ya the guy, and buka ya mathomo remember kana go ke tsebe selo ka literature gore ngwadiwa ke no ngwala agena di publisher ke tsebe selo ke thomo di research lona ke ntse ke iketlile bukela mathomo e dirile 302 pages ere alena ga botse. Then ke mo lo di editor di thomo ba lazy mona ntwa ga o ke ntshi ba thomo ngisha go gore fok ke release ntse di jwa lai ka tshia ke na go thomo better self publishing. By the time bila ke na hanor lebitso le la author le ka ntshwara le ka tla monna ke sure ke tla no rekisha bo ma 10 copies or less than 10 bukela ya rekisha nka o boja ka le sola matlhale ke rekisha more than 1000 copies.
Kgwebo ya dibuka, the business side of the books. Ha o ngola buka e ngotsweng ka Senyesemane ho thata o rekisa buka tse 100 mo South Africa, and mo South Africa ba re a best selling book it must sell 5,000 copies out of 60 million population. Ha o rekisitse 5,000 copies ke best seller. So wena mkhotsi wa kgetha ho ngola buka ka leleme la Sepedi e le go batswadi ba bangata ba re ke isa ngwana ka sekolong sa toropong hobane leleme le leng ka ntle le Sepedi le tlo mo etsetsa eng. Ke kgahliwe ke ntho e buileng ha hore buka o ya o qala e ngodisitse e rekisitse buka tse sekete. Jwale potso ya ka go wena ke potso e lengwe fela hore o kgonne jwang ho ba le tshepo confidence ya hore e re ke kgethe ho ngola ka leleme la heso, and o bile o kgonne jwang ho fitlella ho rekisa di copy tse 1000.
Motho mo yang wa ngolang ka Sepedi right now ke nna ke le one so far e bile re tla ka mo Jobe ke nna ke le one. Most of the time mo Gandhi Square mo Johannesburg mo out in libraries bana le dira di exhibition each and every day holiday ba re bitsa ho fitla exhibitioning o kera book ya Sepedi ile aka ke le one, then go fitla mo tabeng gore go tla jwang book ya Sepedi ka gore e dula e kgethile ke hopola exhibition ya mafello ne re na le botate Dada Morero. Tate Dada Morero ona buka ka Seben Leon, even the president of South Africa Ntate Ramaphosa go na le buka ya Thato ya Modimo, because of I've got this thing ya go grab attention wa kwishisha. So ngwala ka Sepedi ko ngwala ka leleme ke opportunity ya mathomo ka baka la research dire tjatji ka tjatji language ya khwelela. And mo tabeng ya literature, it's all about marketing. Without marketing I want to talk about it. Yes. So ke khona tsa make ko polokwane a ke bolla ka ya bookshop. Bookshop di nyaka 50% and distributor nyaka 25%. O ka tsena ko bookshop ntle le distributor. Ora una santse o printer dibuka ka tšhelete ya hao o fe distributor a di she ko bookshelf ko shelf. And the moment batho ba bona buka ya hao ko shelf ke taba re pulo na le tšhelete. Buka tsa di mo shopong ga ntwa safari. So marakamo heart and culture e tla re nyaka 200 copies ke ya ka kamuka. If Department of Education re nyaka di copies tse so for sekete so le so ke ya ka kamuka. Nka o botsa ka di author tse dintsi tsa gale tse le re dibuka tsa bona di a bala ko dikolong. Motho a editang buka ina ke ba di le ko grade 12 walla mara at the end ke taba re monna a re nne fase monna o mpotsa re tsene jwang ke taba re na santse ke register company ke tsebe re ko tsena jwang company ya ka e santse ke lwela o tsena le ba di company di tsenang ka mo Department of Education, because of Department of Education o ka tsenang ko yona ke ya mo Gauteng fela o le e ko Pretoria submit ko Pretoria. The last year November ke mo le ne ba gona ba dira ba select re buka e fika e ka go dikolong, and le lona ko Pretoria remember ba ka no rofa ka Soshanguve area nyane nyane fela ke ra sefana ba ntse ba di dikolo, but Limpopo le Mpumalanga ke mo le reng o tlo gona go phomella gona. And then ke nana re ke market enough nna as we speak bana ba grade 10 ba ko Mpumalanga ba tle ba ngwala ka leswana la matlhale ne ke ntse facilities di examiner set question paper ka leswana la matlhale ke taba ya o grepa attention ya batho.
That's powerful. I hope a vote of thanks from you, but most also maybe a couple of words to Phuthi and those that are here as well.
Thobela. Nna ka lebitso ke nna Matthews Oupa Manamele. Kore ke lebeletse Phuthi ke hopola mo re tswang le wena monna ma mothabile gore wa mmakatša gore o lo bolela swa ke tshepo gore ko wena wa hopola Bramax. Yeah. But ke rata o leboga Modimo gore Phuthi o ile wa senyatše gift ye wa understand, because ke ba bantši ba ile gore a ka inyatša gift or a se bone gore o na le yona gift ya gore a ngwale. You know, while he's narrating the stories sa this book, I was listening to reactions the audience, and I then realized that in actual fact he's got it, because even if you didn't read it, and I guess some they haven't read it, but how he narrates the story, I mean, you were in it in between. Do you understand what I'm saying? You then realize that that's it. Do you understand what I'm saying? That's why ke leboga Modimo gore ilo wa tap into that gift, and maybe lena o tlatletša gore o bo we bone bo fitle to a level of writing these books. Little bit about myself, and I guess it's everyone. We relate to the story because of where we come from, you know, how we grew up. You understand what I'm saying? And today we fathers. Do you understand what I'm saying? And the question would be, because even if he was not there, like as you said, some kids ubonaka violence in them. Some, it's a whole lot of things, either fear and all that. Do you understand what I'm saying? But I always tell myself, everything happened for a reason. Do you understand what I'm saying? So God has chose you to arrive to this level so that you are able to tell such stories. Because some of these stories will touch people, and in actual fact, it will help. The book will help them to heal from some issues. Do you understand what I'm saying? So as a father, I always try to look at myself, do some kind of an introspection. You understand? Because I have to raise my kids. But there are those things that they are in me, I grew up with, because of where I come from. Either I left them from school or from church, or even Kohai, because either the father was not there. So the first thing that I need to do is to find who I am. You get what I'm saying? And my belief is we are all spiritual beings before we can be physical beings. Do you understand what I'm saying? And if you say so, then we are all creators. But we fail to see that we are all creators because of these challenges that we carry. Moving on in life. You know, we always have certain patterns that need to talk to us wherever you are. You know, you might be going well with your sheep, cruising well, then you face a certain challenge. And some you just say, it's a challenge, man. But you might find it's something that try to talk to you so that you go back to yourself and deal with, so that you can move forward and raise kids and guide others, even if they are not your kids. You understand what I'm saying? So I'm happy that you evoke that in us. Do you understand what I'm saying? Because for me, listening to the story, I then realized, in actual fact, like Mama has said, that's another part that we shouldn't even point fingers. Another one is to look at ourselves as women, as she said. Even Mama added on that. Do you understand what I'm saying? But to a level of all of us, we need to realize that we are spiritual beings, so that we can actually tap into that creation part of who we are. Because my belief is we shouldn't struggle in life, because we are creators. Whatever you have, either it's a car or it's where you work, you have seen it before. But let me not talk much. Mine, it was just a vote of thanks. I guess I'd like to take this opportunity on behalf of Phuthi and the team to say thank you. Thank you to come and support and even listen, because I guess we have learned a lot. And also thanks to Reagile Music Production, even to the space itself for allowing Phuthi to come and share this thing with us, this book with us. And my brother, you too, my sister Lerato, all the guests, Bramax, why would I not do that? Mr. Papa. Do you understand what I'm saying? My brother, we come from Alex together, and your name is big. You know, today actually I can match the name and the person, because I know the name. Do you understand what I'm saying? But to everyone, even if I didn't mention the name, thanks a lot. On behalf of him and his team, Re a leboga.